Hi guys, today we are going to be unboxing these new football shoes that my dad got me, and the reason why my dad got me these is because I used to play with these boots. This was the first real boot that I played in the garden with, the Nike Hypervenom Phantom 2, and this is the second one, the Predator 18 Plus, and they're both like AstroTurf type of boots, and they're both too small for me, so that's why my dad got me these.
What size is that one?
This is size 3 and this is size 5.5.
And what size are you now?
7.
So we got this from
Lovell Sports.
Okay.
And now I'm going to
just show us what it says.
The label first.
So these are Nike Tiempo Academy Turf shoes, and they're size 7, $59.99, and this label here, that label there looks suspiciously like a Sports Direct label, but it's from Lovell Sports and it was a good price. So let's get them opened up. I can't remember how much they were, but when I find out, have a look. I'll try and put a link in the description. So these are the first leather boots you've had, or shoes.
Yeah.
So take the paper bit out.
Okay.
So there's a label there. What does that just?
It says Tiempo natural calfskin leather on this side, and on the other side it says Tiempo Ligera is crafted from calfskin leather for natural command of the game.
Okay, so the elite ones and the pro ones are made of
Kangaroo leather.
what's meant to be better. This is, what does it feel like?
It feels soft.
And then we've got, where's the leather stop? It stops.
It stops there where there's like a suede bit here.
Whereas this is kind of suede, kind of synthetic material. So you got the Tiempos there. That looks, if you can see in the picture, quite nice. Stud pattern.
Okay. So there's like some
knobbly bits.
Yes.
Swoosh there.
Yeah.
How's it compared to the other ones? Much more.
I think those are much more like aggressive.
Yeah, because this was, even with these ones, this is about the normal ones they were. They're a bit longer than that, but still they weren't very aggressive. They're worn down.
This one I just don't know with this one.
Because that's worn down right to the in a bit. Look at that. You put your finger in there. Put your finger in there. Look. Right. Okay. So, yeah. What do you think of the design?
Yeah, I really like the design.
There's a nice blackout kind of shoe. Nice cool swoosh there. Back's got the Tiempo stud pattern, big bit of grip. Why you got these boots anyway? Because you've got FGAG.
Yeah.
You've got SG soft ground. You've got artificial FG firm ground. AG artificial grass, and then you've got these AstroTurf or turf shoes. Why have you got these? Why have you got these?
Because in the garden, I want to play with I don't want to play with studs, because in the summer the grass is dry and the mud is dry, and it won't like dig in properly, and it will kind of ruin the garden if I play with studs in the garden. And
we've got a goal outside, a samba goal, haven't we? So we can practice a bit in there. So we've done. I don't think we've done a review on a samba goal. We may have, so check it out on your channel or your brother's, which is Awesome Kid
YouTube.
Awesome Kid YouTube. It may be on there. And we've got some target things we've got for the guys, to check that out as well.
Yeah.
So do you want to just try them on then? Why don't you just put them straight on? We won't.
Okay.
cut video, put them straight on now. So you've got your socks, so you're probably wearing socks just to protect your feet, because these are going quite quick. These are the what?
The night grip socks.
So pull it up a bit, so have a look at them. We've done a review of these already. So the bottom bit is grippy, so the grippy bit inside and on the outside that grips inside the shoe. And you wear these red ones for your team. You've got a pair of blue ones, isn't it? Because they change the colour. So you're going to wear them with that, so it make it more comfortable and less likely to get blisters and stuff when playing football in the garden. Because the last thing you do on a blister and you got a match on a Saturday.
Yeah.
So go on, get them on then. Let's get them on before the battery runs out on this camera. You want to open it, unlace them a bit?
Yeah.
Yeah, just loosen the laces. Got a bit of a tongue here. Should have mentioned the tongue is kind of like a bit of a cheapy material, isn't it? Can't expect much from an academy one. Not cheapy, but one of these good. Probably the pro one's probably flying. You probably can't get this in a pro, can you? Or elite? I'm not sure. Maybe you can, but it'd be probably flying it that bit, wouldn't it? But this is just a synthetic-y, plasticky, cardboardy kind of material.
Yeah.
As long as it's comfortable, it doesn't matter. Get it on. Yep. Get the other one on. How easy to get on?
Quite easy.
Okay. Nothing beats the ease of your Predators though, that are laceless, just slipped on. They're really nice boots. We got them cheap from the Adidas store as far as I remember, and they're brilliant shoes, but they're too small. So maybe your brother can have those when his feet get a bit bigger, just to knock around the ball in. That'll be quite nice. Yep. Go on, get the other one on.
The other one.
Where's your foot ending?
The leather stretches now.
Leather stretches, but there's not much. Oh. What do you think?
I don't know.
Are they tight? Feel it a bit?
They're just right.
Just right, okay. But your feet are growing. Nightmare. Anyway, go on. Well, they all stretch a bit, won't they? So they'll give a bit. It's one of the things is very difficult. My experiences with buying you guys football boots is because your feet grow. You want to know you need enough room for a bit of growth, and you need enough room, not too much room, that you lose the performance, because guys play competitively. You can't have shoes that are slipping around. Your feet are slipping around in, because that's no good either. It's difficult because you go, but it seems that you seem to wear shoes that are not seemingly too small for you, but seem to stretch. What do you think? Did your foot right at the end?
Well, I can feel the end of it.
With your big toe even?
Yeah.
You think it's going to stretch a bit? You think you're going okay? Is it comfortable or is it uncomfortably tight?
It's comfy.
Where's the end of the day? So your foot is probably a bit swollen up anyway. Swells up. That's the time to wear them with. Always time with foot socks. If you didn't get a chance for time with foot socks, we just went for the size you are. Assume to be true to size, that probably clearly isn't. That's a bit of a problem with any Nike, Adidas, and even within the Nike brand, different types of boots, different models, the different sizings. So some are narrower here and some are like shorter seemingly here, but the good thing is leather will stretch more than synthetic, and it will stretch. It gives, so always bear this in mind. It's difficult because we've made loads of mistakes with buying boots and shoes, haven't we? So I might just twist this way. What do you think? Pull your foot up, bend your foot forward, locking down, okay, not slipping, locking good, flexible, just turn around so we can see all the different, go a bit forward, go over there actually, because it's on the clearer, that's better, yeah, look good, they look really nice. Twist your foot around. So you're going to be really in the garden, so what we can do to offset the sizing is I know we said about wearing socks that are a bit thicker to give you a bit of cushioning, but if they get comfortable and they break in a bit, you could probably wear thin socks. So you wear normally thin socks with your boots anyway, don't you, when you play in the garden? why are we doing the review so late on an evening? Not late, but you know, feel late. Why? What you're gonna?
I'm playing football tomorrow at school.
You're gonna use these tomorrow?
Maybe if we're playing on AstroTurf.
Yeah, they're good. They're good. So, how do you feel? Comfortable?
Yeah.
How does it feel at the front?
It feels comfy, but it's just right. My foot's just at the front.
What about the width? Does it feel like it don't feel too loose here?
No.
Bit of give?
Yeah.
Bend your feet, both of them.
Like this?
Yep. Bend it over, like, you know, you're really using the toes on your toes. So, how does it feel? Is it slipping up? Any slippage here?
No.
Because you don't want a slipping here, do you?
Yeah.
Okay, put your feet back now. So, just turn around so everyone can have a good look. Just slowly. Go back again. Right, and go side to side, stand a bit. Yep, go a bit more. And go around again. So I definitely do feedback with you because these are the first leather boots you wore, or partly leather and calf leather. So they're not the top leather kangaroo leather. They're meant to be mega soft and mega comfortable. But how does it feel comfort wise? First time you ever worn them?
Good.
Feel good, comfy?
Yeah.
Nice and comfy? Yeah. Does it feel quite structured here? Does it feel a bit floppy? Here. Feel quite structured? Nice structure to it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Laces quite long, so you can double knot them easily.
Yeah.
Unlike some of we bought those Predator ones that are really short on your Predator 18.1s.
Oh, okay.
They're mega short and they're a nightmare, but these are a bit longer. They're a bit more bulky as well, but yeah. So the general advice is, if you can, wear them around the house, which you're obviously not going to end up doing because you're going to take them tomorrow, but that's a bit of a risk we take. Yeah, and just, yeah. So what do you think overall?
I like them.
Like the look? What do you give look out of 10? Just be honest, don't say 10 out of 10 unless you really mean it. 7. 7 out of 10, why?
Because it doesn't look that futuristic.
Right, done futuristic, but it says Academy. Doesn't look amazing, is it? In terms of comfort?
8.
Comfortable. Fit and feel, how snug and tight and performance wise do you think they're going to feel compared to the other boots you wear? Adidas 18 plus. Adidas X is 18 plus. Predator 18.1.
Yeah.
Hypervenoms, Phantom, the good ones. Puma Net Fit, these ones.
The Puma Net Fit's a 10 out of 10 for comfy.
Really comfy. And what about it compared to this one?
That one was more like snug around your foot.
Snug around your foot. So, where would this stand? One of the better ones?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, it's great. They are really, you're getting a lot for just Academy boots. You're getting leather boots mainly, most of it leather. Okay, the tongue doesn't look great. It's a bit cardboardy, plasticky. But does it feel comfortable? It's not uncomfortable there on the tongue bit at the front?
No.
Laces are okay.
Yeah.
Calf leather, stud pattern, bit of grip. It'll be good for the garden anyway. Because it's meant to be for the garden, but you only get to take them anyway because they're new ones, and you always want to show you off your new shoes, don't you? So could take them, try them out. Make sure no one nicks them. Okay, so
yeah. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Peace out.
And we'll try and do a feedback review.
Yes.
Because the first set of leather boots you had. Always. Whatever you do, if you're into football, you've got to try a set of leather boots at some time in life, isn't it? So, we'll see. Okay.
Bye.